Good morning to one and all. I am going to continue the next topic in fourth lesson is plotting techniques. Before we enter into the topic, what is plotting technique? So plotting is a widely used as a analytical tools. Why? For the specific identification of a desired DNA or RNA fragments. So plotting is one of the tools, analytical tools, which is used for the specific identification of a desired DNA or RNA fragments from large number of the molecules. Okay, so what the desired DNA means, which part of the DNA we want to multiply in the recombinant DNA technology means that DNA or RNA fragments identification is known as a plotting techniques. In the here, what does plotting means? So plotting refers to the process of immobilization of a sample nucleic acids. So the plotting means it is a immobilization of the sample nucleic acids. The next one, after the plotting technique, the plotted nucleic acids is then used as a target in the process of hybridization experiment for their specific detection. Okay, so this is the plotting techniques. Then after one, types of plotting techniques. There are three types in plotting techniques. The one is a southern plotting, northern plotting and western plotting. In shortly, southern plotting means the transfer of DNA from agarose gel to nitrocellulose membrane. In northern plotting, the transfer of RNA to nitrocellulose membrane. In western plotting, electrophoretic transfer of protein to nitrocellulose membrane. So these three are the types of the plotting techniques. We have to learn one by one in detail. The first one is a southern plotting techniques of DNA. In this technique, the transfer of the DNA from agarose gel to nitrocellulose membrane, it was introduced by the Southern in the year of 1975. So shortly we called as a southern plotting technique. In this technique, so many steps are involved for the transferring of the DNA. Okay, the first one is the transfer of the DNA from where agarose gel to the nitrocellulose paper, filter paper, is achieved by the one of the capillary action. The next one is here the buffer solution, that is sodium saline citrate, is used in which DNA is highly soluble. Why we are using the buffer solution means here only the DNA molecule is highly soluble and after that it is easily drawn from the gel to the nitrocellulose membrane. And third step is single stranded DNA is trapped in the membrane matrix. And last one is the DNA hybridized with the nucleic acid and can be detected by autoradiography method. Here the diagrammatic representation of a typical plotting apparatus. So this one is a buffer solution. So here only the DNA is mixed. Okay. And this DNA is insoluble, soluble nature, highly soluble and drawn up into the gel through to the filter paper. And easily we can trap the single strand DNA. So here is the buffer solution and DNA molecule is soluble in nature. And after that, here is the one of the filter paper wick is placed here above the support block, and this one is a gel, and after that this is the membrane means nitrocellulose membrane. Okay, and after that filter paper and some of the paper tissues, filter paper tissues was placed here and a glass plate is above placed, and after that the weight is placed for the support. So this one is the diagrammatic representation of a typical plotting apparatus. So here first we can separate the DNA molecules. No, that DNA molecules is separated by the method of the agarose gel electrophoresis. I already taught the process, isn't it? So agarose cell electrophoresis, we first cleaved the DNA by the help of the restriction enzymes. Agarose cell electrophoresis process, we can first get the double-stranded DNA molecules, and after that the DNA molecule is highly soluble in the buffer solution, and in this buffer solution we can use the filter paper. So from the gel to the filter paper we can transfer the double-stranded DNA molecule, not only the double-stranded DNA molecule, single-stranded DNA molecule, because DNA is highly soluble here, and after that this soluble DNA easily transfer from the agarose gel to the membrane as a form of a single-stranded DNA. Then we can trap the DNA molecule, and after the plotted nucleic acids used in the hybridization experiments for their specific detection. So this is the plotting techniques. Okay, so now we are see the steps wise methods, okay, in the Southern plotting by the diagrammatic representation in one by one. The first one is a DNA. I already told no. So what are the steps involved in the Southern plotting technique? Means the stepwise diagrammatic expressions are here. I explain one by one. The first one is DNA is cleaved by the restriction enzyme and transferred to an agarose gel. The fragments are separated by cell electrophoresis. So here the specific plotting technique, okay, identification of the desired DNA and RNA fragments from the larger molecules of the nucleic acids, okay. So here by the help of the restriction enzyme we can easily achieve the DNA particles from the large molecules. So desired DNA we can get. Then after that we can use the, so now only I show now the diagram. So this one is the setup here, okay. So this is the buffer solution, that is the alkali solution. Here the buffer solution is sodium saline citrate. So the sodium saline citrate platform we can using the plotting paper and also gel and nitrocellulose membrane, okay. So here the DNA is soluble in nature and easily the double stranded form is soluble now. We can get the single stranded DNA, okay. So drawn up into the top of the layer of the gel, and after that we transfer into the membrane. Then here we can get the membrane DNA, I mean single stranded DNA we can trap it. Then after the plotting we can use the hybridization process. The plotted nucleic acid then used as a target hybridization. So here the hybridization means we can already know the DNA probe, base pairs of the known DNA, that is the DNA probe, okay. We already know about the how many base pairs are here. So that base pairs of the DNA and also unknown particles, so desired DNA is mixed into the bottle and DNA probe bottles. So that is the hybridization process. We can use the probe as a radioactive labeled probe. So the complementary DNA fragments is mixed into the radioactive probe. Then after that we can use as a autoradiography, okay. So autoradiography means UV radiation photograph. So here which is the binding of the DNA size. So unknown particle of the DNA we can separated from the agarose gel to the nitrocellulose membrane. The transfer of the DNA fragments is bind with the already known DNA probe, okay. So after the autoradiography which emits the fluorescence color, then after the illuminating we can easily noted the DNA, okay. So this is the specific detection of the DNA fragments. So this is the steps of the Southern plotting technique.